Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful 1973 Shovelhead. Man, what a bike, Mike.
It's the love of my life.
Selling the love of your life. Jeez. So tell us about it.
It's 73. I've had it since 83. And redid the whole motorcycle over. And it's
Beautiful.
it runs good, and it's a good little motorcycle.
Cool. Lots of extra chrome. Got the fishtails on it.
Lots of chrome, S&S Carb, Fireball cam.
Did you do the seat and the runner and the...
We also have easy off, easy on, buddy seat, Sissy Bar, saddlebags, and floorboards.
Wow. They suction cup on or...
No? I made it. I actually made them. You just loosen up the
tail.
Loosen up the strut bolts.
Yeah.
Pull them out a little bit, clip everything on, tighten them up.
Wow.
It takes about 10 minutes, maybe, if that.
Wow, what a bike.
To make it for two people.
Okay. What size motor? Is that a 1200?
It's a 1200, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think there's 4,000 miles on the top end.
Nothing. How many on the bike?
Actually, 4,000 since I redid it.
Really?
That's what's on it.
Wow.
You know,
Is it the original paint or
no,
you painted it?
Yeah.
Hand striped?
No, actually, it's not hand striped. It's tape stripes.
That's great, man. It's like the tires are brand new.
Yeah, I had just put tires on it a few years back. I've been putting about 5 miles a year on it for the last 3 years.
Kind of keep it lubed up and going, huh?
Yeah, it gets WD-40'd every winter. The whole bike is WD for the winter. Cleaned up in the spring. Just don't use it anymore.
It's kickstart and electric start?
Kick and electric, yeah.
And these fishtails are cool. Man, what a show bike, huh? You don't see these around much.
Nah.
I bet you this is going to go overseas somewhere.
Yeah, you think?
I think so. So what's original and what's custom?
What's actually original on this bike, and when I bought it,
Yeah.
is the frame and the motor.
That's it, huh?
That's it. It was actually an FXE.
Wow.
This bike. It was a super glide.
Wow.
Yeah.
Man, you completely transformed it.
Yeah. That's what I wanted. You know, this is the bike I always wanted, and
Yeah.
I finally got it.
What's this red button here? Start? No. Right there.
Yeah, that's just the rocker box. Bolts. They
Oh,
got
I see.
seals on the
Oh, I
ends.
see. Cool.
Yeah. It's like an oil seal, actually.
Very cool, man. 4,192 miles.
That's it, since I redid it.
The mirrors, too. Everything about this bike is so cool. Man, how'd you find all these parts? Over the years, huh?
It took me about 10 years to finish it. I did it pretty much all myself. I had the top end done. A friend of mine was actually a Harley mechanic. And he did the top end for me.
Beautiful.
The heads, the valves, you know, the whole top end was done.
Love it. You fire it up? Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Man, it sounds so good.
When I used to ride with people, they used to make me ride in the back.
Oh really?
They're like, get in the back.
That is awesome. Man, it was so nice.
Yeah, I guess the fireball cam in there kind of makes it really taut, you know?
Yeah, sounds like one of those old school hit and miss engines, you know? Man, that is a piece of artwork right there. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Mike, what a bike. Holy cow. Can't believe you're cutting it loose. Give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.